Roar into learning, Dino-mite activities for budding paleontologists. Ready for a roaring good time? We're diving headfirst into the prehistoric world with these super fun educational dinosaur activities. Get ready to unleash your inner paleontologist and embark on a dino-sized adventure. Let's get those little hands busy with some sensory exploration. These activities are perfect for sparking imagination and developing fine motor skills. Get ready to dig, explore, and discover. Transform a simple container into a thrilling dinosaur dig site. Fill it with sand, rocks, and hidden dinosaur skeletons. Arm your little explorers with brushes and magnifying glasses to carefully excavate their prehistoric treasures. This activity encourages patience, observation, and a love for discovery. Create a bubbling, fizzing swamp scene using baking soda as your base. Then add vinegar mixed with food colouring for a spectacular erupting reaction. This is a fantastic way to introduce basic chemistry concepts in a visually exciting way. Watch as the swamp comes alive with colourful, fizzy fun. Design a sensory bin with a base of soil or sand, then populate it with dinosaurs, miniature volcanoes, and fossilised bones. This tactile experience allows children to immerse themselves in a prehistoric world, fostering creativity and imaginative play. It's a whole world of dino fun in one bin. Freeze small dinosaur figures inside water-filled balloons to create dinosaur eggs. Provide tools like small hammers, warm water, and spoons to help crack them open. This activity is not only exciting but also teaches about the properties of ice and the concept of excavation. Get ready for some cracking good fun. Time to get crafty. These art projects are perfect for expressing creativity, developing fine motor skills, and bringing those prehistoric creatures to life. Let your imagination run wild. Make a batch of salt dough and let your little ones press dinosaur toys into it to create realistic footprints. You can also mould the dough into bone shapes for a truly authentic fossil experience. Once baked, these salt dough fossils make fantastic keepsakes or educational tools. Cut dinosaur shapes into potato halves and use them as stamps to create colourful dinosaur prints. This simple activity is perfect for younger children and encourages creativity and hand-eye coordination. Get ready to stomp, print your way to dino art. Use paint to stamp dinosaur footprints onto paper, creating a prehistoric trail. This activity is a fun way to explore different colours and patterns while learning about the size and shape of dinosaur feet. Let's make some dino-sized footprints. Transform ordinary paper plates into extraordinary dinosaurs using paint, construction paper, and a little imagination. This craft is a great way to recycle materials and create unique, personalised dinosaurs. Get ready for a prehistoric plate party. Draw dinosaur skeletons on paper using white crayon, then cover the paper with baking soda. Use droppers to apply dyed vinegar, creating a fizzy, colourful reaction that reveals the hidden skeletons. This activity combines art with science for a truly engaging experience. Create sand art fossils using cardboard, coloured sand, glue, and cotton swabs. This activity allows children to explore different textures and colours while creating their own unique fossil masterpieces. It's a sensational way to learn about paleontology. Use different types of pasta to build dinosaur skeletons on paper or clay. This activity is a fun and creative way to learn about anatomy and spatial reasoning. Plus, it's a great excuse to play with pasta. Assemble dinosaur skeletons using cardboard tubes, connecting them with glue or tape. This activity encourages problem-solving skills and spatial reasoning while creating impressive, three-dimensional dinosaur models. Let's build some bones. Time to sharpen those minds with some dino-themed literacy and learning activities. These activities are designed to make learning fun and engaging, from deciphering dinosaur names to matching letters in a dino dig. Use Greek and Latin root words to decipher the meanings of dinosaur names. This activity introduces children to the origins of scientific language and helps them understand the characteristics of different dinosaurs. It's like being a dino-linguist. Fill plastic eggs with letters, sight words, or phonetic words. Have children crack open the eggs and practice reading or spelling the words inside. This activity is a fun and interactive way to reinforce literacy skills. Get ready to hatch some knowledge. Write sight words or letters on dinosaur footprints and have kids walk on them while reading the words aloud. This activity combines gross motor skills with literacy practice, making learning active and engaging. Stomp your way to literacy success. Read dinosaur books aloud and discuss the different dinosaurs, their habitats, and their characteristics. This activity encourages a love of reading and expands children's knowledge of the prehistoric world. Let's get lost in a roaring good read. Hide letter tiles in a container filled with sand or soil, then have children dig them up and match them to corresponding letters on a worksheet. This activity reinforces letter recognition and fine motor skills in a fun and engaging way. Unearth the alphabet, one letter at a time. Get those bodies moving and explore the wonders of science with these dino-themed activities. From stomping like a T-Rex to erupting volcanoes, these activities are sure to spark curiosity and excitement. Make cardboard dinosaur feet and let kids stomp around, imitating the movements of different dinosaurs. This activity encourages gross motor skill development and imaginative play. Stomp, stomp, stomp your way to dino fun. Challenge children to balance dinosaur toys on different surfaces, exploring the concept of the center of gravity. This activity improves fine motor skills and introduces basic physics concepts in a playful way. Can you balance the dino? Create a model volcano using household materials and make it erupt using baking soda and vinegar. This classic science experiment is a visually exciting way to learn about chemical reactions and geological processes. Get ready for a volcanic eruption of fun. Set up a station with various dinosaur-related items, such as fossils, books, and models, for children to explore and investigate. This activity encourages curiosity, observation, and independent learning. Welcome to your prehistoric research station. Learn about the different types of dinosaur teeth and what they tell us about their diets. This activity introduces basic concepts of paleontology and anatomy in an engaging and accessible way. Let's sink our teeth into some dino science. These activities are designed to encourage imagination, fine and gross motor skill development, language skills, and early math concepts. They provide a fun and engaging way for young children, parents, educators, and homeschoolers to explore the fascinating world of dinosaurs. Ready to embark on your own Dino-mite adventure? Call to action. Don't let the fun stop here. Download our free printable dinosaur activity guide for even more roaring good ideas. Share your dino-themed creations with us on social media using Vinu Dino Learning Adventures. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting educational content, and let's continue to explore, learn, and grow together. Roar!